my lovelies, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be showing you how to store your garri for it to last for a very long period of time. And in another video I'm going to also be showing you how to store plantain. Okay, when you buy plenty plantain, do not worry yourself if the plantain is going to spoil. So if this kind of content is what you would love to listen to, do not click out, watch to the end, because I bet you at the end of this video you're going to learn a lot. So guys, after putting the plantain inside nylon, you take it to your fridge. Make sure the fridge is always cool, because if the fridge is not always cool, that means the plantain is going to ripe at once. But in as much as there is stable light, like your fridge is always cool, it is not going to spoil, it will last longer. Then if you want to make use of it, maybe you want ripe one, so anyone you want, any quantity you want it to ripe, just bring it out and keep it. I bet you just a day it will ripe, or 2 days it's going to ripe. Just bring it out from the freezer, fridge is going to ripe. But if you want this thing to stay very long, please make sure your fridge is always cool. Make sure there is stable light. Okay, so that is it. That is how to store plantain to make it last longer. You can as well put inside your freezer. If you know that your light is not always stable, just put inside your freezer. Okay, it's going to last also. Thank you so much for stopping by. If today is the first day you're coming across my channel, my name is Lucy Chioma. I am a mom of 3 based in Nigeria. Consider clicking on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.